Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. How often does a piece of technology you bring into your home make you smile from the minute you plug it in? Not very. But the Klydoclock from Klydo, K-L-Y-D-O, manages to do it, blending digital animated art with a beautifully crafted clock, complete with a digital pendulum, tick-tock sounds, and an hourly chime. You can control the sounds if you need quiet, but the digital animated art is the real star, and there's an ever-growing array to choose from. Creative and Content VP Dave Ben-Yshai.
From a library of animations through all our artist partners, people that we work with, every single day a new animation is added to the device.
You can take control with a remote, an app is on the way. The Klydoclock is available in beautiful oak or walnut and sells for about $300 at Klydoclock.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com, or just click on the link at Techstination.com.